Hello guys, as you can see there is a buzzard in the water. It's sort of funny. Look at all that garbage that people throw into the water. Oh well, the beauty is right there. Empire State Building. Wait, that's not the Empire State Building. Is it now? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Well, that buzzard right there, that's the real thing. So let's leave this. Okay, now let's actually what I want to do right now is I am going to go over here, start running. Okay. And I am going to show you the heart of Liberty City. This might take a very long time, so yeah, I'll try my best and I'll show you the heart of Liberty City. Here we got some fat guy working on the job. I bet he eats extra large. Sorry, WTF, man. Okay, okay. So now I run over here, run as fast as I can. Run. Yeah, dang it. Slow. Okay, let's just walk. This the one. Yes! Yes! What deliciousness. Oh, god damn. Oh, no. Oh, thank God. Okay, now. How did that appear?
What's your deal?
What's my deal? My deal is that you got a problem. Oh, did you pick up that Coke? Did you pick that Coke up? Oh, garbage. Ow. Actually sort of hurt. Okay, well, this is garbage. Okay, I guess I won't show you the heart of Liberty City. It's actually really literal. Like, literally. It's the heart of Liberty City, literally. But I don't think I can show you it if I have, like, absolutely no clue how to, drive one of these buzzard things. Are you kidding me? So, what happens now? Where'd it go now? Smoking chick. No, literally, she was smoking. Oh my God! Yes, I actually gonna be able to get to it, maybe. Oh yes. Yes, indeed. Oh, that's gonna take forever. Oh, garbage. This sucks. Oh, look at my leg. That was horrible. Well, that sucked. I guess I have to run all the way back over here. And jump down here. Gotta get the buzzard out again. Man, this sucks. I actually sort of learned how to drive this now. Just now.
No way! No way!
Yes way, right? Right? Like, oh my god, you know? Like, oh my god, right? Isn't that just like so weird? What's going on? This. That's what's going on. This is. Like, oh, nothing. Just me and Lewis. Driving this thing. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you didn't know, you know, haven't ever played Gay Tony, the Ballad of Gay Tony, I mean, yes, this man's name is Lewis. Sad to say. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, bring this baby up. Okay, so now I will be going forward. No, hop. Okay, forward. Interesting stuff. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Are you? Oh, my god. Oh, that was terrible. That sucked. Okay then. Well, since that's not going to happen ever, never going to actually get there, guess I'll just fly it around over here in the city. Go up on top of this building or something. Go on top of that building right there. Right over here. Go on top of this building. There you go. I'm actually on top of some sort. I mean, I'm actually on top of some sort of building now. But I think I'm stuck. Oh no, I'm not. Climb up this ladder. Climb up this very, very beautiful ladder. And now what? I guess I get to do this. And now I guess I get to do this. I mean, I get to do this sort of thing where you type in 3, type in 359 555 359. So the following numbers are 359 555 77272. Let's call the number. Activated. I don't see no parachute on me. Oh, parachute. RT to put on parachute. Okay, this is sweet so far. What the heck? How was I supposed to know what button to click? I'm like, what? Oh my god. Okay, well, let's go up on that building now, I guess. Now I go to Buzzard, whatever the hell you want to call it. Come on, you kidding me? Get out of this. Fly away from these networks. Fly away.